So I'm actually going to use my hawk and my trowel for getting this on. I've also got one of these plastic corkers and this flexible filling knife for the more delicate stuff. I've already got some bonding mixed in here. I'm going to use the back edge of this trowel to get it out and up and on to here. Just like so. We need a good amount of this stuff to get it in. And we're going to just force it in there as deep as we can. Working it in. Push it right down into the skirting there, and we will come back to that area. If you actually get a bit on there, a good amount, put it to where you want it to be, and then squeeze the tip of the trowel, it will force the filler or bonding, which is what I'm using here. It will force it to where you want it to be. Like up there, push it in and just push it, and it will make its way up with the pressure. Looks a bit rough at the moment, but we'll soon sort that out. Okay. Now you can either use the trowel or the plastic corker, and we're just trying to get it in relatively flat because we're going to build that out with an easy fill once this is in. Oh, we've got a bit of that tape out there. Put it down there for now and we'll come back to it. I'm going to use the corker now, just push that through. Come back the other way and push it into that area. Right under there. Just keeping those screws in just as a guide so we know where radiator bracket needs to go back to again, try not to leave it too proud because we are going to be sanding this back before we put our easy fill into it. Now we'll go with the others. Let's see if we can get that tape back in there. Doesn't matter if we can't, just for a bit more stability, that's all. And then pushing it into that hole. Same with that one. Get it right in, force it in. And then that one. Okay, that's looking good to me. There's a bonding. We'll sand the rest of that out before we easy fill, as I've said. And the easy fill will go on there. You will never know that those cracks were there.